When was once released? Have you ever wondered about the film that beautifully captures the essence of Irish culture through music? The movie Once is a shining example of this. Released in 2007, this Irish romantic musical drama was directed by John Carney. It is set and filmed primarily in Dublin, Ireland, showcasing the city's vibrant atmosphere. The story revolves around a local busker and a Czech immigrant who, from a connection through their shared love of music. This heartfelt narrative resonates with many, as it reflects the everyday life and struggles of people in Dublin. The film features iconic locations such as Grafton Street, St. Stephen's Green Park, and Killiney Hill. These spots not only serve as a stunning backdrop but also allow viewers to experience the charm of Dublin firsthand. The music in Once plays a crucial role in its storytelling. The lead track, Falling Slowly, gained significant recognition and even won an Academy Award for Best Original Song. This song helped the film gain international acclaim, showcasing the talent of its creators. The film's music and lyrics reflected the emotions and experiences of the characters, making it a memorable part of Irish cinema. The releases of Once in 2007 came at a time when Irish cinema was gaining more attention worldwide. This film contributed to that momentum by presenting authentic storytelling and cultural representation. For those planning to visit Ireland, following the film's locations offers a unique way to explore the city. You can stroll along Grafton Street, where street performers often entertain passersby, just like the characters in the film. Visiting St. Stephen's Green Park provides a lovely escape into nature, while Killiney Hill offers breathtaking views of the coastline. In summary, Once not only tells a touching story but also serves as a beautiful introduction to Irish culture and its music scene. So, if you are looking to immerse yourself in the heart of Dublin, this film is a perfect starting point.